Welcome to another episode of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. In this video, you can learn how the personal pronoun it gets conjugated in all the tenses. You must be very well knowing that it, adu or idu, can also be used for he and she. And to learn that, you can check the earlier video number 142. We are going to see the personal pronoun it conjugation. You can learn from this explanation easily. The verb paaka, meaning to see, gets to paathe in past tense and paakare in present tense and paappain in future tense. For the personal pronoun I, that is I saw, I see, and I will see. But if you wish to say for the personal pronoun it, that becomes paathudu or paathuchu. This is something for you to notice. It has two options and people use them both equally, and the present tense is paakhudu and paakom for future tense. She gave a furious or angry look at everyone. Look at the girl, she's upset and angry. அது எல்லாரையும் கோவமா பார்த்துச்சு. Or பார்த்தது. Both are fine. அது எல்லாரையும் கோவமா பார்த்தது. Or அது எல்லாரையும் கோவமா பார்த்துச்சு. அது எல்லாரையும் கோவமா பார்த்தது or பார்த்துச்சு. Now let us see the verb vara, meaning to come. I came, I come, and I will come. நான் வந்தேன், வரேன், and வருவேன். And for it came, it comes, it will come. அது வந்துச்சு or வந்தது, வருது, and வரும். It is very simple. So it is the future tense that will always have the sound on at the end for it. The flower vendor came in the morning and I bought it. In Tamil we also say poo varudhu to mean that the flower vendor is coming. You also hear pooa koopidu, call the flower, which means call the person selling flowers. We are using poo, that is flower, to mention the flower seller here. காலையில பூ வந்தது, வாங்கி வச்சிருக்கேன். This is a combination of verbs வாங்க and வச்சிருக்க. You can learn that from one of the earlier videos. It's a useful lesson and it is very commonly used in Tamil. காலையில, in the morning, பூ வந்தது, the flower came, வாங்கி வச்சிருக்கேன். காலையில பூ வந்தது, வாங்கி வச்சிருக்கேன். or காலையில பூ வந்துச்சு, வாங்கி வச்சிருக்கேன். காலையில பூ வந்தது, வாங்கி வச்சிருக்கேன். காலையில பூ வந்துச்சு, வாங்கி வச்சிருக்கேன். When you watch these videos, they indeed are too simple to learn. But it is very useful for you to refresh your learning regularly, and the best way to do that is to follow Instagram, where I shall post all these repeatedly with other new videos exclusively for Instagram. Therefore, your learning gets easier and effortless. You can also watch the 176 videos so far to learn Tamil in an easy way. Here's the link, and usually you'll find all the information in the description. I shall constantly update the About section so that you'll get an update of what is happening latest in the channel learning. All the best and bye, and take care, friends.